Imagine stepping into a mansion that has stood for over 130 years, witnessing the rise and fall of empires, the growth of a town, and the transformation of a once grand estate. Studley Park House isn't just a building, it's a living, breathing piece of history. As we take a look, we'll uncover stories of ambition, innovation, and change. A glimpse into a time when power and prestige were written into the very architecture of the land. Alright, so welcome back. Today we're here at Studley Park at the old Studley House mansion, and we're going to go walk around, just take a bit of a quick look at it and have a bit of a look at the history on it. This place is pretty fascinating, actually, very. Now I have asked for permission to come here and have a bit of a look around, so I actually spent a bit of time trying to get that, so yeah, really excited about that. So beautiful old place, just fantastic. It's such a nice day, eh? Like, perfect day for this. So we'll go around the back and just take a wee bit of a quick look and see what we can see of the old building. Fantastic. It's pretty interesting, actually, when I actually delved into it. The yeah, pretty amazing history. Just amazing. So I probably won't spend too long today. Don't really want to overstay my welcome. But yeah, look at that. Just incredible. I love all the old architecture on these places. This is meant to be like an old Victorian Italianate kind of style, but we'll get a bit more into that as we get around. Yeah, just amazing. Incredible. And beautiful day for it. So I think we'll just follow this driveway. That's about it. I don't really want to go in the long grass. Apparently there's a lot of snakes around here, so just incredible. I think there's a few other buildings on this site. See if we can get into it, just have a look at them. Yeah, just stunning. Studley Park House in Camden is a stunning example of Victorian Italianate architecture. Built in 1889 for William Charles Payne, this mansion is a piece of history, designed by the Sydney architectural firm A, L and G Macready. The estate reflects the grandeur of the late 19th century, showcasing ornate details, a prominent tower and a commanding position overlooking the Narellan Creek floodplain. Just stunning. The estate originally spanned 200 acres, purchased by Payne in the late 1800s. Payne was a businessman who aimed to create a grand estate that would stand as a symbol of his success. The mansion itself was equipped with a steam traction engine and a dynamo to generate electricity, a remarkable feat for the time. Payne called it Studley Park, like after a place near Ripon in England, linked to his father-in-law. Following Payne's departure, Studley Park House continued to evolve, serving various purposes over the years. In 1933, the mansion was repurposed as Camden Grammar School, educating local students until 1933. Afterward, Arthur Gregory, a Hollywood film executive, purchased the property and turned it into a golf course, adding an 18-hole course that remains part of the estate today. During World War II, the estate was used by the Australian Army as an Eastern Command training school, and in 1950 the Camden Golf Club was established on the property, which still operates and maintains its legacy as a community hub. Just absolutely stunning. Might just take a little quick nosy up the stairs. Just stunning. These sort of places just absolutely blow me away. Just the architecture and just standing here looking at them. It's fantastic. Beautiful area around here. It's absolutely stunning, especially just kind of smack bang in the middle of the golf course. So yeah, beautiful. So we'll go up around the back a little bit and just take a look at some of the bits and pieces that are still there just quickly. That tower is amazing, just really sticks out up there. So we'll go around the back a little bit here and have a look at the back side of it. It's like a butcher shop. Wow, look at that. Incredible. Today, Studley Park is more than just a mansion. It's a piece of living history telling the stories of the original owners. It's used as a school, its role during World War II, and its current use as part of the Camden Golf Course. Every corner of this state has a story to tell, and it's a privilege to walk around this place today. Butcher shop. I'll see if I can find some information on these buildings and that, and if I can, I'll put something in the description. Yeah, amazing. I think they're old barracks. Amazing, eh? Just, I think these are the old barracks. Crazy. This is really collapsed, eh? And it goes all the way up around there too. So I'll probably start heading off. So yeah, fascinating actually. I'd actually walk around a little bit more, but yeah, I just don't want to overstay my welcome, so I'm gonna head off. Alright, so yeah, fascinating place. So much history in it too. I've been wanting to come here for so long to come and have a look at this place, so I finally decided just to come and do it and kind of organize it. So yeah, I'm kind of really glad I did, because this is kind of pretty amazing. Really amazing. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.